Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm LuceStephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'm uploading every single day in September, so if you want to go check out the videos I've been uploading, there has been some bangers. We've had bougie advent calendar unboxings, loads of Revolution videos as always, and today I'm back with another Revolution video. I thought I'd just do a little unboxing and show you the Halloween collection, just because I noticed there's a lot of comments, both Revolution socials but also on some of my videos. I've had a few, which is a lot for my little channel, basically asking if Revolution are doing a Halloween collection. So this is their like non-licensed Halloween collection, if that makes sense. So this is their Twisted Fantasy collection. I believe it's also in Superdrug. Pretty sure it's in Superdrug. I'm not too sure about Boots, but I'm 100% sure it's in Superdrug. And this is the main palette for the collection. As you can see, when you move it, it changes. I don't know what this is called. I always forget. It has like a funky name that I'm pretty sure I can't pronounce. But this is what it looks like, and obviously as you tilt it, it changes. Totally different, because obviously last year we had like the red like circusy themed Halloween collection, and I actually prefer this. So inside we have a huge mirror, and then this is what the colour story looks like. The reason I think I really like this is because you can use this for Halloweeny stuff, but you can use this just for like general normal stuff as well. So it has like these little butterfly imprints, obviously to keep with the collection. And then this is what it looks like. It is absolutely stunning. Like, them jewel tones look gorgeous. You could really do, I do feel like we could have done with like a dark green in here just to amp it up, but we do have some like darker colours, most of the black that I feel like you could go really in with to make it more Halloweeny and more like deep and darker. But you could also do like a very pretty look with this as well. So I feel like it's a bit more versatile for people that want to do like grungy Halloween and people that want to do more like pretty Halloween. I feel like it has like a good selection in here, and I cannot wait to swatch these. Let's just swatch them now. I was going to wait for my video, but it's like that intense, look at that, intense formula, like the foily shimmer. Stop, that is stunning. I want to do this gold because obviously it's me. You know what I'm like. Look at them. That is absolutely insane. By the way, I keep saying insane in my videos and I'm annoying myself, so I do apologise if that's annoying you as well, because trust me, I'm annoyed with myself for saying it all the time. Oh my god, I want to swatch all of them, but I don't have enough fingers. So normally what I do in my collection reveals is I show you the collection, and then when it comes to me actually doing the reviews, that's when I swatch the products. I know I had a lot of people asking about swatches in my last reveal, my Emily in Paris reveal. I just wanted to swatch that one as well. So you could definitely go like really dark and grungy, but you could also go like really light and like fairy pretty kind of Halloween looks as well. Oh, I'm so excited to try this. This is actually beautiful. And I just can't help myself, so I'm going to have to swatch the other two shimmers that were left because I cannot help myself. Like, I want to feel them, feel their ones too. This one's a lot more intense, so I feel like this one would be really nice as like a toppery shade. And that's that one, so you can see that's more of like a topper, but then that one is super intense. And I didn't swatch them ones as much as what I did the other ones. Ooh, even the matte's like super buttery. This is definitely like, must be a different formula because this is beautiful. Like, this is actually such amazing quality. Let's do a little, I've got a little bit of like bit left on that, but let's just ignore that. Let's do a little swatch of like the lighter blue. So yeah, even that's got like a bit of kick to it. It looks a little bit powdery, but like that has got some kick to it, especially considering I've just swatched it over like a black stain on my finger. I am so excited to try this. Please let me know down below, when I review this palette, do you want me to do more pretty Halloween, or do you want me to do like more deep dark Halloween? Please let me know in the comments down below. Also, the day that I'm actually filming this is the day before you're seeing it, so I haven't actually filmed my review yet, so I will get them up as soon as possible. I still need obviously to do my Emily in Paris review, but it's literally like 10 to 8. I haven't even sorted out tonight's video. I need to get that sorted after I finish filming, but I'm going to London tomorrow for work, so that means I'll be out of the house from like 6:30 in the morning till, booked like an earlier train home, so I'll get home about 9:30 at night. So it's going to be a long day, and then Thursday I'm always a write-off because I'm just so tired from being in London the day before. But yeah, that is absolutely stunning. The formula, if you've had some like bad palettes from Revolution before and you're kind of like being put off, buy this if it's up your street, because the formula, beautiful. And I forgot to say the price. This is $9.99, $12, €10.99 or 20 Australian dollars. Blake's brother has just came upstairs and like walked past my room to go into mine and Blake's bedroom to talk to him. I'm sweating. I hate filming when people are upstairs. I need my own house. Also, if you wonder what's on my lips, I've got the Lord & Berry Ultimate Lip Liner in the shade Tanned Nude. And then I've put the NARS Take Me Home Velvet Matte Lip Pencil over the top. And I might actually wear this to go to London tomorrow because it feels like it's going to last for a very long time. He's gone now. I can stop sweating. I've literally just put deodorant on as well because I was like absolutely boiling filming this video. It's also an SFX face paint palette, which I didn't pick up because obviously it's all know by now that I work for Revolution, so I kind of get these from work for free. I don't pay for them. Obviously all my opinions are always super honest. The reason that I didn't get the SFX face paint palette is because I just know that I'm not going to use it. So I just didn't want to order it when I know point blank that I'm not going to use it, because I'm just not that kind of Halloweeny gal. I'm not creative at all. But we do have some lip products that I picked up, and I also picked up the Terra Transformation Liquid Liner Set, which is like practically the same as last year's, obviously different packaging and everything, but we had this for the circus ones where you got the black, red and white. So if you didn't get a chance to pick that up last year, obviously it's back out for this year. Let me tell you how much this is. This is $9.99, $12, €10.99 or 20 Australian dollars. So if you didn't get it last year and you want to pick it up, then obviously it's available this year. If you got it last year and it's still fine, you haven't used it up or anything, I mean, eyeliner is like ridiculously hard to get through, but anyways, then obviously you don't need to be picking it up this year because you've already got it. And the other 4 items in the collection, which you all know is my favourite thing ever, it's lip products. So I'll start with this one, the lip kit. So this is the Midnight Kiss lip kit, which is in an ultra matte finish liquid lip and lip liner formula, which is obviously like their lip contour kits. Obviously this is just the Halloween version. It says on the side, ultra matte finish, long wear, no touch-ups and highly pigmented. And obviously it is in a Midnight Kiss black colour. Again, they did do, I'm pretty sure they did a black one last year too. This is just what it looks like. Obviously it's got all of the packaging to match the collection. And I'll swatch it. Should I swatch it? Fuck it. Like, I'm really tight on time, as always, but hey ho, that's the lip liner. Because I'm going to film another video after this, which you're going to see tomorrow, which I know some of you already know about this launch. That's coming tomorrow. And then that is what the black lip liner looks like. I don't know if it's going to focus. That's what it looks like. So obviously it looks shiny now because I've literally just put it on my hand. I'm going to wipe it off straight away as well before it dries down. Otherwise that's going to be a pain to get off, and I've got like a cream jumper on, so that is not a good combo. I'm going to be so tired going into the office tomorrow, and I'm going to have to edit this video on the train into work as well because I just didn't have a chance to film over the weekend because obviously I unexpectedly went to go see Busted, which wasn't part of my plan. My plan was to film all these videos and get my Emily in Paris review up, but Busted. And it was insane. It was so good. We literally got, oh sorry, I'm knocking the mic. We literally got there not realising, like, because obviously we didn't book the tickets. My friend's friend, 2 friends let her down. So obviously because of that she had 2 spare tickets. So obviously we went with her instead. We didn't know anything about the tickets. We just knew that we were standing. So we literally got to the concert and there was like the tiniest bit, like a little VIP area sectioned off at the front of the stage. The rest of the whole like stadium or whatever it's called, the rest of the whole arena was completely like seated, and it was just us that were standing. So I was literally like, I was like 3rd row from the front. Like there's a person in the barrier, my friend Laura was in front of me, and then it was me. And Busted were there, like sweating on me. It was insane. That's the reason why I'm late with my Emily in Paris review. And I told myself I'm not going to put like things on hold in my life on hold and stop doing fun things just to get my YouTube videos up. Like this isn't my job, it's a hobby. And yeah, it's just not that deep. So that's why you haven't seen my Emily in Paris review yet. I will get it up as soon as possible. But please do let me know what you'd like me to do first, whether it's this one, Emily in Paris, or DC. Please let me know. But yeah, the other product, I don't think I told you the price actually of that one. So the lip kit, oh my god, that's how much it is. It's only $5.99. That's so good for a lip liner and a liquid lipstick. So yeah, $5.99, $8, €6.99 or 12 Australian dollars. And then moving on to the Bit and Kiss lip oil. This is so cool. So I'll show you what it looks like. So obviously this is the actual packaging. I don't know why my camera takes so long to focus, and it says on the back of it, hydrating lip oil with vitamin E and avocado oil. And how cool does this look? Like, that is so cool. It literally looks like blood, and it like moves in there. Like, it's not just packaging or anything like that. And what's even more amazing about this is it's actually clear. So even though obviously it looks like, how funky is that? Even though it looks like blood, it is literally clear on your hand. Like, you can't, it's completely clear. You can just see where it's shiny there. Oh, it smells nice. I just got it literally on my nose. But it smells really nice as well. I just think that's so cool, so innovative, and just like, just so funky. I just think it's so clever. And this retails for $4.99, $7, €5.99 euros, or 10 Australian dollars. Again, the packaging for this collection, I just absolutely love it. The only thing that annoys me is when they put these glue dots on like the little flap, and like so that it doesn't move, because it's just a nightmare to get out at the first time. But this is what the lip stain looks like. And it comes with a big applicator. That's what it looks like. So I'll definitely try this in the video. Should I put a little bit on my hand? You see the colour there. I'm literally going to wipe this off straight away though, because I don't want it to stain on my hand. Oh my god, it's stained. That is what it looks like. You can see it's like stained. So you can tell it's going to last, because like that was only on for what, however many seconds that it was on for. So that is the lip stain that retails for $5.99, $7, €6.99 euros, or 12 Australian dollars. And then last but not least, we have the Enchanted Kiss lipstick. And do you remember, I think last year was the year they did it where you got like the skull ring, obviously to match the whole collection. This time you get a black butterfly ring. This is just what it looks like. And then the ring actually comes out and you can wear it. It's adjustable, so obviously you can fit any finger. It has like this glitter overlay, so do bear in mind that once you've used this, that glitter will go. But this is what it looks like how beautiful is that? I don't want to swatch this one. Actually, I can swatch the back of it just because I wanted to see what it looks like on my lips for the first time. But you can see it's like a black lipstick. It has a little bit of glitter, but you can see there where the glitter spray, you see? Where the glitter spray has come off in that little bit that I've swatched. So yeah, once you swatch it, I'm assuming it's like a satin kiss formula. So yeah, that is everything that is in this year's Halloween Revolution collection. Obviously not including any license launches. This is just like Revolution's like brand. I actually prefer that there isn't as many products in it, just so that it's more streamlined. And I feel like the products that we have been like a lot more thought being put into them, especially like the lip oil kind of matching the ring to the collection. And to be honest with you, that palette just blew me away. Like, that absolutely blew me away. That is insane, the pigment for the mattes and for the shimmers. Please let me know which video you want me to review first, whether it's Emily in Paris, Twisted Fantasy, or the DC Poison Ivy Harley Quinn collection, because I'm gonna have to prioritise one of them and put one of them up first, so I'll let you make the decision for me. I would love to know what you think of this collection. Please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit subscribe, because it really does help out my channel. I'm really, really close to 18,000 subscribers. So yeah, any love and support would be really appreciated. And I hopefully will see you tomorrow for another very exciting brand new launch. DC tomorrow. Okay. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.